If you want to increase your Amazon influencer commissions without making more videos constantly, then you need to learn how to use your dashboard a little bit better. So today I'm going to show you how to use those latest updates in Viral View to actually get more commissions, right? So they recently split the automation into two separate pop-up menus, one for standard affiliate plus campaigns and the other for sponsored products for creators, all right? Setting this up manually can take hours, but if you configure both pop-ups correctly, you can automate your brand approvals in less than 2 minutes and make more commissions. So let's jump into my screen here and I'll take a look at Viral View and how to set up the actual automations. So here we are in Viral View, right? And we're going to click on Creator Connections. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see Sponsored Products for Creators and Affiliate Plus campaigns. So let's start with Affiliate Plus campaigns. Click on Accept Affiliate Plus Campaigns, and here's the pop-up. Now, at the top, you'll see a safety warning telling you not to browse Amazon while the tool's running. Under the video settings, you've got two major features. So first, we have tagged ASINs. I'm going to enable it by checking this box. This feature automatically scans your Amazon storefront and collects the product codes that you've manually tagged in your existing videos. Now, if we go into Manage Account, you'll see all of your published videos. When tagged ASINs is enabled, Viral View is going to collect those product codes and cross-check them against the campaign database. And if a brand is offering a bonus payout for that product, the tool will automatically accept the campaign on your behalf. So you're obviously making more commissions on those products going forward, right? Next, we have auto link ASINs. All right, so this is a massive feature as well. Amazon frequently places your videos into product carousels, as we know, on the listings that you didn't manually tag, right? And this feature tracks where your videos are being displayed and accepts those product codes as well. This is going to help you capture extra commissions that you would completely miss otherwise. Now, I recommend running these scans 2 to 3 times per week minimum. You can run them separately if you have thousands of videos, which can make the process a lot faster, or you can run them together. Now, we also have the scheduling feature here as well. You can create a schedule to run these automations automatically, so you don't have to manually do it, every single week or every single day if you want to. So let's look at the report settings. To run this properly, let's first go to our Amazon Influencer dashboard, click Refresh, and update the summary for both your on-site and your off-site store IDs. Once that's finished, go back to that pop-up. Now you're going to enable reward history for the last 48 hours. I recommend running this specific scan 1 to 2 times a day, okay? Remember that. This feature is critical because it scans pending orders for customer items that have purchased but have not shipped yet. This allows you to capture those halo sales, as they call them. Now, a halo sale happens when a customer watches your video for one specific product, but then ends up purchasing a completely different item through your link. And as we know, you should get affiliate commission on that, but it doesn't always happen that way. So by running this scan daily, this tool is going to find those unshipped product codes and join active campaigns before Amazon even ships the order. And this is how you can potentially upgrade a standard commission into a much larger bonus payout when a qualifying campaign is available. And again, this is going to be impossible to do manually, so running this is going to be a game changer for your earnings. Next, we've got photos and idea list settings. So I'm going to enable photos and idea list ASINs here. What this does is it scans any shoppable photos or any idea lists that you've published on your storefront. Viral View will collect those product codes and match them against available campaigns. Finally, let's look at variant settings here. So make sure you include product variants, make sure that that's checked. And I recommend leaving this enabled at all times. This setting applies to your reports, it applies to your links, your photos, and your idea lists as well. So for example, if a campaign is active for a specific black shoe, right? But a customer purchases the red version of that, it enables that variant to help ensure that those products are also checked for campaign eligibility, and you could potentially earn commissions on that other variant, right? And that's important because sometimes people might come to your listing, but they might purchase a different size, a different color, etc. Now, let's look at URL view settings here. So if you drive traffic from YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform using deep links, I use Genius Links as an example, you can enable URL view links, and this automatically checks your external links against the campaign database and joins eligible campaigns when they're available. So for example, I'll leave this disabled, and once everything is configured correctly, I'm going to click Start. Now, this will begin finding and accepting affiliate plus campaigns automatically for me. And this process now has started, all right? So I'm going to close it for now just so we can move forward to the second pop-up, but let's go over sponsored products for creators. Click this button. This is going to open the sponsored products for creators automation panel. And this section focuses on entirely different Amazon program, all right? So instead of earning standard sales commissions, many of these campaigns pay based on EPC, right? Which is earnings per click. Brands pay you click-based fees when you send traffic to their listings. This pop-up automates those campaign approvals. So first, under video settings, enable tagged ASINs. This automatically matches your existing upload videos with active sponsored product campaigns that pay on a pay-per-click basis, all right? And again, this is going to be impossible for you to do manually and find all these, so you need to enable this. Next, let's look at the media settings link here, all right? So enable accept links. This uses social media profiles that you've connected inside the ViralView web app so that the platform can automatically submit your offsite content links to eligible campaigns. If you had to do that manually, it would take you hours, if not days, depending on how many products you have, right? So this is going to save you a ton of time. Next, we have URL view link settings here. So if you use deep link services and you share, for example, Amazon links on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, Pinterest as an example, this is going to enable URL view links. This feature checks your social media links against the campaign database and it cross-references them. So if any product that you're linking to has an active sponsored products budget, ViralView can automatically connect your content to that campaign and earn you more commission. This is going to help you earn click-based income without changing your existing links, all right? And once everything's configured, simply click Start. Now, I recommend running this process 2 to 3 times per week as well, just like that first one. And then stop checking campaign lists manually, right? You don't need to do it anymore. You can just utilize this automatically to generate commissions for you. If you do this 2 to 3 times a week, like I said for that first and third one, and 1 to 2 times a day for that second one in the middle, you are going to slowly see over the next 30 days, your commissions increase and increase and increase and increase. And over the next month or so, it's going to be a completely different ballgame for you. And again, you didn't have to do any of that manually.